think humans are the smartest? Meet the crow. These birds can solve puzzles, remember faces, and even plan for the future. They use tools, drop nuts on the road to crack them, and communicate complex ideas to each other. It's like watching a tiny feather genius at work. This proves intelligence isn't just human. Brains evolved to solve problems, whether you have feathers, fur, or two legs. So, next time a crow stares at you, it's probably judging your brain.